In this video, I'll guide you through how you can add a clickable link in Canva. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and like this video. At the beginning, you need to open Canva.no website and open the design. Let's open a pyramid template and open another template and click on customize this template. Let's create a button. First, you need to click on text and drag and drop a text on your template. Let's change the font size. Then add effect and choose this option background. If you want, then you can change the background color or roundness and spread. You can also change the color of your font. To change the font color, click on text color and choose the font color. To add clickable link on this button, you have to select all the text. Then click on this link icon. Now get a product link and paste it here. And click on down button. Once you add the link on Canva button, then download the design. To download it, click on share, then download and choose the file type PDF standard. And lastly, click on download button. Once the download process is complete, then open the file, scroll down and click on the link. By following this tutorial, you can easily add a clickable button or link in Canva.